Welcome to Advanblack's YouTube channel. I'm Steve, service tech for Advanblack. Today I got a very easy install for you. It's going to be a part two kind of a video that we did a couple of weeks ago. We introduced the new Holeshot 2.0 bags, rear fender, the whole rear end kit for the bike, and today we've got the matching side covers. Now this is going to be for the 23.5 and newer bikes. We all know that the new lids are wider and longer, so that's going to replace the bag bottoms with the new Holeshot design on here, the rear fender. And if you didn't catch that video, I'll put a link down in the description down below. But like I said, today we do have the color matched Holeshot side covers that's going to match those bags. So now you got a complete mid to rear end kit on the Harley Touring 23.5 and newer. Now this is a direct replacement, and as like I said, it is color matched, so you can get it color matched to your bike. It's very easy to do. We're going to take the seat off, we're going to remove our saddlebag, pop this side cover off, pop the new one on, put the saddlebag back on, put the seat back on, and you're done. So let's do that real quick, and then we'll walk around the bike and see what the entire kit looks like on the bike. So there it is, super easy install. Literally pop one off, pop the new one back on, and you're done. You got the Holeshot 2.0 side covers, you got the saddlebags, and you got the rear fender with that cool French in license plate. Just a lot cleaner look. It carries this design into the fender, as you saw there in the walk around. And now we got the matching side covers with the same design. So that's going to complete the whole rear end of the bike for the 23.5 and newer bikes. If you want to get your hands on this setup, I'll put a link down in the description. Take you straight over to the website. Make sure to check out the rest of Advanblack's website. We've got a lot of new parts for this new 23.5 and newer bike. Give us a call if you have any questions, or if you want to, drop a comment down in the comment section of this video, and I'll help you there as best that I can. I'm going to get out of here, get myself back to work. I hope to see you in the next video, but until then, as always, be safe, keep your knees in the breeze.